Joseph, and this is my video for Lab 2 for Count 4601. So for collection, now we have the same collection that I had for Lab 1, the product, the review that we're gonna add to MongoDB, and also have an order structure, that's the new one. That's an order ID, that's the number, a customer, that's gonna be the name of the customer, and the items. In that items, we're gonna have information like we can have the product ID, the name of the item, the price, and the quantity of the amount of the customer bought. And for this lab to send a new order data, we're gonna use a JSON request. We didn't implement the HTML version, so we're just gonna use the JSON request with Postman. And for a specific order, so to get a specific order, we use the order ID to pull out the information from a Mongo database, and we're gonna show the customer name and the item that they bought. So we're gonna go over that right now. At first, I already have my servers running. If we go here and we do this, we get no product because we didn't load the thing from our database. So we're gonna do that first. Okay, now we inserted our thing for the database. We're gonna run this again. And now we get all our products. So that means our database is connected and everything is running properly. We can do everything like usual. We can search a product by name. We can also search by ID. Let's do 2. We can search for a product review. There's not gonna be no reviews, so we're just gonna add a review right now. Let's do 2, 9. We got a review. We go back, search a product review, and now we get a review right here. Same thing, HTML, JSON. Now we can go back. We can add a new product. Let's do Samsung Motor M8, 400, 20, 10, 5, and let's say like 20 stocks. We can add a product right here, and if we get all the product, we get it right here. And if we go here on our database, let me disconnect this and connect it. We have it right here. So we got our products, our review, and everything. But so now we're gonna go over the new two operations that we have. 2 operations. We got get orders, order ID, and put orders. So we're gonna go on Postman now. So on Postman we have send an order. So basically we put the customer name, the product ID, and the amount that we want to buy. Let's say that person want to buy 1,000 for the first thing. We're gonna get a message that says the order validation is failed. We don't have enough stock. We only have 21, and you requested 1,000. So we're gonna do something more simple. Let's do 10 instead. Now when we send it right here, we get something back that says orders successful, the 201, and we get Alice, the product ID, quantity for each one. So now if you look at our product, we should see that the stock was 21 before, now it's 11, so that's working properly. We're gonna send another order just to make sure everything's working properly. Gonna put off. We added the Samsung monitor. And you're gonna put 2. Send. We get a 201. We get the customer name, order ID, product ID, and everything. So now that we show that post, now we're gonna see the list of all of our orders. So I'm gonna send it here. So here, when you get a list of all of orders, we get the order ID, the customer, Alice, product, and we also get a link of where to go and grab that order. If you want to see the information by itself, we didn't implement the HTML, so we cannot show a HTML page. But if you want to, we can go here and get our orders. So we can do 0 right here. We get Alice, we get a product ID, the name, price, and quantity. If you want, you can second one, the second order that we put, and we get order ID and everything. That's it. That's my video for Lab 2.